Alright, downshifters, good morning. It's around 5ish. I'm gonna show you guys today's setup. This is the first time taking the Jeep out camping. So let me just show you what I did with organizing my stuff using the goose gear bins and just other things that I have. As you can see here, I have all my sleeping stuff, dry goods, sleeping stuff, my stove, and I put my tent here on the side, which is perfect. The goose gear cubby system, which is amazing. Just some tools here, sleeping pads, towels, some cooking or kitchen stuff, and some lights. The left side of the cubby, just some electrical stuff for like the jackery and the fridge, recovery gear, bathroom essentials, propane, and some more recovery gear right down at the bottom. We do have the trash route packed with some more emergency stuff, bags, and 2 bulks of logs. On this side we have fridge, some just more essentials for the car, some bolts, nuts for the Jeep in case of anything, tools, and then we have air compressor, stuff to air down, some water at the bottom, you know, sleeping stuff, sleeping bags. On this side is more of the goose gear platform, so we have some more kitchen stuff at the bottom, some just like other things for the outdoors, bug spray, stuff like that, and then of course the fridge. And the fridge is being powered by the jackery that's back here. I've kind of already put the jackery there about 2 times already, and I just have it tied down. Besides that, it's worked pretty well. We're only going for a 1-day trip, so I don't think I packed crazy, pretty light, but I think I have everything I need. Yeah, so besides that, I'll see you guys at the trail and then the campsite. All right, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we just got to the trail. We're heading up to the campsite. I was hoping to be here at 7 a.m. It's around 8:40 or so, and I'm hoping that there's no one at the campsite I'm trying to go to. If not, there is another campsite we just passed by. That seems that might work as well. So when we get to the campsite, check it out, you know, and start bringing stuff down and make some coffee and stuff like that, because it's about that time. What? Bottomed out already? That's good. We're here in Lytle Creek, and people are already setting up. Huh, guys? Hello. Hey, guys. This is our tent. So, kids are really excited. We're setting up our little mini tent. I'm just saying mini tent because, yeah, this is like a 20-person tent over here. But pretty much kind of setting up this camp spot here. Car, fire pit. Setting up all the stuff out here, and if you guys can see, we're literally by the road, so still pretty safe. I could hear the cars coming up, so we're gonna continue setting up. It's around 9:30ish, and we're still waiting for 2 more people to arrive, 2 more cars, and we might skip breakfast and go straight into lunch. I don't know, or might do breakfast. Damn, like a boss. I'll keep recording here and there as we finish setting up and when people get here, but kind of finish here. Back again, the jackery. If you guys kind of want to see where the jackery's at, I've been driving it for about, it's already been at least a good 2.5 hours, and the jackery is at about 98%, so I still have a long way to go, so pretty awesome. All right, so we'll record as we go. Well, let's open this up either way first. And the trash.
Let's check out Chela's home. Literally, home. She brought her home with her colcha, okay? Can't forget the colcha. Let me show you our home. Compared to our home? Yeah, buddy. What are we cooking here?
Pues aquí son perros calientes, derechitos del DF. ¿Qué le puedo decir, doña?
¿A cuánto? ¿A cuánto?
Están a 7 o a 2 por 10.
Qué carero, ¿no?
Is there another hot dog queso on here?
There's a jack in the box nearby.
No, you're tripping.
¿Pozole?
Es menudo.
Menudo, right here.
Menudo.
¿Qué te pasa?
Ahorita vengo. Pues let me check Emma real quick.
I guess me tocó aquí flipping de estos pinches hot dogs. A mí me invitaron, pero me tienen aquí cocinando.
Alright guys, so easy meal camping. Street dogs, dogs wrapped with bacon. You'll check it out when I get to eat them. Did you guys see all the homies, all the tents? Everyone's set up, so we're basically ready for the night. So let's check out this quick and easy camp meal. And tip, if you don't want to wash dishes, is you put plastic on your plate. Learned this today from my friend. Just really smart. You enjoying your hot dog?
I saw a Jeep that's Hello.
All the kids enjoying their hot dog?
Yeah.
You too? So we'll just eat this camp meal and then just enjoy the rest of the night. We're prepping everything for dinner, but dinner won't be for, you know, quite a bit of hours, probably really night dinner. And then we'll eventually turn on the fire and just chill out here. So just hanging out.
You can't upload mine now.
Make sure you guys standing them up, okay?
Yeah, look at we stand.
There you go, like that.
Then I'm gonna go hike with
You in a cold?
No.
How about you take a hike?
What's about?
Are you gonna put that on the YouTube?
Yep.
You feel like you're in the movie?
Yeah, fool. I was like, damn, I have to hurry up because it's scary out here.
You should have bought your black one. That one. That one has.
Butchers them up, puts it in the backpack.
Oh my god, this is burning.
Oh man.
Enjoying AM s'mores with the crew and the kids.
Here you go.
Cheers.
Here.
Yes, it's together. Nice.
How's your s'more? Yummy. Freshly made.
Vince, hook me up.
Like that.
Good morning, downshifters. Talking a little bit low because people are still asleep on my campsite, so I'm just kind of walking away. But this is what I kind of woke up to. A little earlier, the sun was actually out, and then we got this overcast. The sun is literally being hidden in the back, which the sunrise was really beautiful when I saw it this morning, but just got completely covered up. So far, Lytle Creek was a really nice experience. I would definitely want to do it again. Gonna start making some coffee for the crew. Like I said, some people are still asleep, but let's go make those cups of coffee and see maybe about breakfast or stand by the fire a bit more. Probably like 7. Want some coffee? You want some hot chocolate? Careful.
Go say that.
Sisters, let me take you to my dad's car.
What kind of car is this, bro?
A Jeep.
A Jeep? And it takes you everywhere?
Yeah, it's two-wheel, and we can make it crazy go.
Yeah. Maybe we need to fix the 4x4. Transfer case is a little shot down right now. But guess what? We still out here camping.
Yeah.
Doesn't let us down. Out here with the family. How do you like this truck? This truck's pretty cool? Yep. What kind of truck is it?
It's a Chevy S.
Chevy S10? Yeah, and that one makes it everywhere, 4x4? Yeah? Alright, let's go check out the Rubicon. Alright, whose truck is this, bro? Bernice's? What kind of car is it? Rubicon? Jeep?
Yeah.
Yeah? Pretty big truck? Yep. So how was your first camping trip?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? What was your favorite part?
Probably off-roading.
Off-roading? Yeah, we did some pretty cool stuff. All right. How about the bonfire? That was pretty cool. Yep. We'd like to do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometime soon. Yeah, give me 5. That's right, bro. Downshifters, yeah.
Downshifters.
Hey guys, what if I tell you I didn't record?
What the hell, really?
I didn't.
Oh, further back.
It gets it, trust me.
Again? 1, 2, 3.
Ice cream!